Adobe Analysis Workspace Online Training. Introduction to Adobe Analysis Workspace. Adobe Analysis Workspace is a powerful tool within the Adobe Analytics suite designed to facilitate data exploration, visualization, and analysis. Here's a brief introduction to its key features and capabilities. Data integration. Analysis Workspace allows you to integrate data from various sources, including Adobe Analytics, third-party sources, and offline data, enabling comprehensive analysis across multiple data sets. Drag-and-drop interface. Its user-friendly interface lets you drag and drop dimensions, metrics, and visualizations to create custom analysis projects without needing extensive coding or SQL knowledge. Customizable dashboards. You can build customized dashboards with a variety of visualizations such as tables, line charts, bar charts, and more. These dashboards can be tailored to specific business needs and user preferences. Segmentation and filtering. Analysis Workspace offers robust segmentation capabilities, allowing you to create and apply complex segments to your data. This helps in understanding specific customer behaviors or trends. Pathing and fallout analysis. It includes features for path analysis to visualize customer journeys and fallout analysis to identify points where customers drop off in processes like online sales funnels. Collaboration and sharing. Users can collaborate by sharing projects and dashboards with team members. There are options to export data and reports in various formats for further analysis or presentation. Advanced calculations and formulas. For advanced users, Analysis Workspace supports the creation of calculated metrics and calculated dimensions using formulas, allowing for deeper insights and customized analysis. Real-time data exploration. Adobe Analytics provides near real-time data updates, enabling analysts to explore and analyze the latest data trends and behaviors as they occur. Integration with Adobe Marketing Cloud. Integration with Adobe Marketing Cloud typically involves connecting various Adobe solutions to leverage its suite of marketing tools effectively. Here are some key aspects of integration. Adobe Experience Cloud. Adobe Experience Cloud includes several components like Adobe Analytics, Adobe Campaign, Adobe Target, and Adobe Audience Manager. Integrating with Adobe Marketing Cloud usually starts with connecting these components to ensure seamless data flow and unified customer insights. Data integration. Ensuring that data from various sources, CRM systems, transactional databases, etc., can be imported into Adobe Marketing Cloud is crucial. This often involves using Adobe's APIs or third-party integration tools. Personalization and targeting. Adobe Target allows for advanced personalization and A/B testing. Integration ensures that customer data and insights from Adobe Analytics and Adobe Audience Manager are used effectively to personalize content and campaigns. Campaign management. Adobe Campaign integrates with other Adobe Marketing Cloud solutions to orchestrate and manage multi-channel marketing campaigns. Integration ensures that campaign data and performance metrics are consolidated and analyzed effectively. Reporting and analytics. Adobe Analytics provides robust reporting and analytics capabilities. Integration ensures that data from various sources are analyzed to derive actionable insights and optimize marketing strategies. automation and workflow. Integrating with Adobe Marketing Cloud often involves automating workflows and processes to streamline marketing operations, improve efficiency, and enhance campaign effectiveness. Best practices for workspace users. Best practices for workspace users typically include a combination of operational, security, and efficiency guidelines. Here are some key practices. Password management. Encourage strong, unique passwords and regular updates. Consider implementing multi-factor authentication, MFA, for added security. Data backup. Regularly back up important data to prevent loss in case of hardware failure or cyber attacks. Security awareness. Educate users about phishing attacks, malware, and other security threats. Encourage them to report suspicious activities promptly. Device security. Ensure devices are equipped with updated antivirus software and firewalls. Encourage regular software updates and patches. Data privacy. Emphasize the importance of handling sensitive information securely, especially when sharing or transferring data. Workspace organization. Promote a clean and organized digital workspace. Use folders, naming conventions, and file management best practices to enhance efficiency. Collaboration tools. Train users on collaboration platforms and best practices for effective communication and file sharing. Device management. Implement policies for managing personal devices used for work, BOD, including security measures and data access controls. Remote work security. Provide guidelines for secure remote work, including VPN usage, secure Wi-Fi connections, and data encryption. Regular training and updates. Keep users informed about new threats, technologies, and best practices through regular training sessions and updates. Case studies. Successful use of Analysis Workspace. Analysis Workspace in Adobe Analytics is widely used for its powerful capabilities in data visualization, exploration, and reporting. Here are a few case studies showcasing successful use of Analysis Workspace. Consumer Goods Company. Challenge. A consumer goods company wanted to understand customer behavior across various digital channels and optimize marketing spend. Solution. They used Analysis Workspace to create custom attribution models, visualize customer journeys, and segment audiences based on behavioral data. Outcome. By analyzing data in real time and adjusting marketing strategies accordingly, they achieved a significant increase in ROI and improved customer engagement metrics. E-commerce retailer. Challenge. An e-commerce retailer needed to improve conversion rates and reduce cart abandonment. Solution. Using Analysis Workspace, they created personalized dashboards to monitor user interactions, track key performance indicators, KPIs, and identify bottlenecks in the purchasing process. Outcome. With actionable insights gained from Analysis Workspace, they implemented targeted campaigns, streamlined checkout processes, and saw a noticeable uplift in conversion rates and revenue. Travel and Hospitality Company. Challenge. A travel company aimed to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty by delivering personalized experiences. Solution. Leveraging Analysis Workspace, they integrated data from various touchpoints such as website visits, bookings, and customer feedback. outcome. By analyzing customer sentiment and behavior patterns, they tailored marketing campaigns, optimized website content, and improved customer service, resulting in increased customer retention and positive brand sentiment. What is Adobe Analysis Workspace? Adobe Analysis Workspace is a powerful tool within Adobe Analytics that allows users to create highly customized, interactive reports and dashboards. It provides a flexible, drag-and-drop interface where users can visualize and analyze data from various sources, including websites, mobile apps, and other digital channels. Key features of Adobe Analysis Workspace include drag-and-drop interface. Users can easily drag metrics, dimensions, segments, and visualizations onto a canvas to create customized reports. Data visualization. It offers a wide range of visualization options such as tables, line charts, bar charts, and scatter plots to represent data effectively. Segmentation and filtering. Users can define segments based on specific criteria, example demographics, behaviors, and apply filters to focus on relevant data subsets. Path analysis allows for analyzing user journeys and paths through different stages of interactions with digital properties. Collaboration. Workspace supports collaborative work environments where multiple users can work on the same project simultaneously and share insights. Custom calculations and metrics. Users can create custom metrics and calculated fields to derive insights tailored to specific business needs. Integration with Adobe Marketing Cloud. It seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Marketing Cloud solutions like Adobe Target and Adobe Campaign for comprehensive digital marketing analytics. How can Analysis Workspace improve data insights? Analysis Workspace in Adobe Analytics can significantly enhance data insights through several key features and capabilities. Flexibility in data visualization. Analysis Workspace allows users to drag and drop various data dimensions and metrics to create customized visualizations quickly. This flexibility helps in exploring data from different angles without needing complex queries or setups. Advanced segmentation. Users can create complex segments using a simple interface. This capability allows for deeper analysis of specific audience behaviors or characteristics, leading to more targeted insights. Pathing and fallout analysis. Analysis Workspace includes features like pathing and fallout analysis, which are crucial for understanding user journeys and identifying points of drop-off or conversion. This helps in optimizing customer experiences and marketing strategies. Data exploration and ad hoc analysis. Analysts can explore data interactively, drilling down into details and spotting trends or anomalies in real time. This capability supports hypothesis testing and iterative analysis. Collaboration and sharing. Teams can collaborate on projects within Analysis Workspace, sharing dashboards, projects, and insights seamlessly. This fosters a collaborative approach to data analysis and decision-making. Integration with other Adobe products. Integration with other Adobe Marketing Cloud products allows for a holistic view of digital marketing efforts, tying together data from various touchpoints for comprehensive analysis. Visualization and reporting. Analysis Workspace offers a range of visualization options and customizable reporting features. This helps in presenting insights effectively to stakeholders and decision makers. Predictive analysis and AI. Adobe Analytics also integrates predictive analytics and AI capabilities, enabling users to forecast trends and behaviors based on historical data, further enhancing the depth of insights. What are the key features of Analysis Workspace? Adobe Analysis Workspace is a powerful tool within Adobe Analytics that allows users to perform advanced data exploration, visualization, and analysis. Here are some key features of Analysis Workspace. Drag and drop interface. Users can easily drag and drop dimensions, metrics, and visualizations to create custom analysis projects without needing deep technical expertise. Visualization options. It offers a variety of visualization options such as line charts, bar charts, scatter plots, histograms, etc., to present data in meaningful ways. Custom calculations. Users can create custom metrics and calculated metrics using mathematical formulas or functions to derive new insights from the data. Segmentation. Analysis Workspace integrates powerful segmentation capabilities, allowing users to isolate specific subsets of data based on criteria like demographics, behaviors, or user journeys. Pathing analysis. Users can visualize and analyze user paths through websites or apps to understand user behavior and identify common paths or drop-off points. Cohort analysis enables the creation of cohorts based on user-defined criteria to analyze how different groups of users behave over time. Data visualization customization. Users can customize visualizations with various formatting options, including colors, labels, annotations, and more, to enhance data clarity and presentation. Sharing and collaboration. Analysis projects can be saved, shared, and collaborated on with team members, facilitating teamwork and knowledge sharing. Integration with Adobe Marketing Cloud. It seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Marketing Cloud solutions, enabling a holistic view of marketing performance and user engagement. Real-time data exploration. Users can explore real-time data streams to monitor ongoing campaigns or website activities and make timely decisions. How does Analysis Workspace integrate with other Adobe products? Analysis Workspace integrates closely with other Adobe products, enhancing its capabilities through data sharing and cross-platform insights. Here are some key integration points. Adobe Analytics. Analysis Workspace is deeply integrated with Adobe Analytics, allowing users to directly access and analyze Adobe Analytics data within Workspace. This includes pulling in data segments, metrics, and dimensions directly from Adobe Analytics into Workspace projects. Adobe Experience Platform. Integration with Adobe Experience Platform enables users to leverage unified customer profiles and behavioral data from various sources. This integration allows for more comprehensive analysis by combining data from Adobe Analytics with data from other sources managed within Adobe Experience Platform. Adobe Target. Analysis Workspace can integrate with Adobe Target to analyze the performance of A/B tests, personalization campaigns, and other targeted experiences. This integration helps in understanding the impact of different experiences on user behavior and conversion metrics. Adobe Advertising Cloud. Integration with Adobe Advertising Cloud allows marketers to analyze the performance of their advertising campaigns alongside other digital marketing efforts tracked in Adobe Analytics. This holistic view helps in optimizing advertising spend and ROI. Adobe Audience Manager Analysis Workspace can integrate with Adobe Audience Manager to analyze audience segments and their performance across various marketing channels. This integration facilitates deeper audience insights and more targeted marketing strategies. Adobe Campaign Integration with Adobe Campaign enables marketers to analyze the performance of email campaigns, customer journeys, and marketing automation efforts. This integration helps in understanding how different campaign activities contribute to overall marketing success. Adobe Creative Cloud, while not directly integrated for data analysis, Analysis Workspace supports the integration of creative assets and design elements into marketing workflows, ensuring alignment between creative efforts and performance analytics. What are the benefits of using Analysis Workspace for marketing analytics? Analysis Workspace, part of Adobe Analytics, offers several benefits for marketing analytics. Customizable data exploration. Users can drag and drop dimensions and metrics to create custom visualizations and reports, allowing for flexible exploration of data without needing deep technical skills. Advanced segmentation. It enables the creation of complex segments based on various criteria, helping marketers to understand specific audience behaviors and preferences. Path analysis. Marketers can analyze the paths visitors take through their websites or apps, identifying common navigation patterns and potential bottlenecks. Attribution modeling provides tools to analyze and attribute conversions to various marketing channels, helping marketers understand the effectiveness of different campaigns. Real-time reporting offers real-time data reporting and visualization capabilities, allowing marketers to monitor campaign performance and make timely adjustments. Collaboration and sharing facilitates collaboration by allowing teams to share workspaces, reports, and dashboards, fostering a more cohesive approach to data-driven decision-making. Integration with Adobe Marketing Cloud. Seamless integration with other Adobe Marketing Cloud solutions allows for comprehensive cross-channel analysis and optimization. Predictive analytics incorporates predictive analytics capabilities to forecast future trends and behaviors based on historical data, enabling proactive marketing strategies. Data visualization provides rich data visualization options, including charts, graphs, and heat maps, to present insights in a visually compelling manner. What types of data can be analyzed in Analysis Workspace? Analysis Workspace in Adobe Analytics allows for analyzing various types of data, including web analytics data, such as page views, visits, visitors, bounce rates, etc., collected from websites and mobile apps. Custom data feeds, data imported into Adobe Analytics from external sources, enabling analysis alongside standard metrics. Advertising and marketing data, performance metrics from ad campaigns, including clicks, impressions, conversions, etc., integrated from platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, etc. Customer segmentation data, data segments created within Adobe Analytics based on user behavior, demographics, etc. Real-time data, data streams that provide up-to-the-minute insights into user interactions and behaviors. Pathing and flow analysis, visualizing how users navigate through websites or apps, identifying common paths or drop-off points. Custom calculated metrics, metrics derived from existing data using custom formulas, allowing for deeper analysis tailored to specific business needs. Attribution data, insights into how different marketing channels contribute to conversions and user engagement. How does Analysis Workspace support collaborative analytics? Analysis Workspace in Adobe Analytics supports collaborative analytics in several ways. Shared projects. Users can create projects in Analysis Workspace and share them with others. This allows multiple team members to collaborate on the same analysis, view changes in real time, and contribute insights. Collaborative editing. Team members can simultaneously work on the same project within Analysis Workspace. Changes made by one user are visible to others instantly, facilitating real-time collaboration without the need for manual syncing. Commenting and annotations. Users can leave comments and annotations directly within Analysis Workspace. This feature helps teams communicate insights, ask questions, and provide context to analysis, improving collaboration and understanding. Version history. Analysis Workspace maintains a version history of projects, allowing users to track changes over time. This feature is useful for auditing, reverting to previous versions, and understanding how analyses have evolved. Sharing and publishing. Completed analyses can be shared or published within Adobe Analytics. This enables stakeholders to access insights without needing direct access to Analysis Workspace, promoting broader collaboration across teams. Integration with Adobe Marketing Cloud. For users leveraging other Adobe Marketing Cloud solutions, Analysis Workspace integrates seamlessly, allowing for deeper collaboration between analytics, marketing, and other departments. How can Analysis Workspace help optimize marketing campaigns? Analysis Workspace in Adobe Analytics is a powerful tool that can significantly optimize marketing campaigns through its robust features. Customizable dashboards. It allows marketers to create personalized dashboards tailored to specific campaign metrics and KPIs. This flexibility helps in focusing on key performance indicators relevant to campaign goals. Data visualization. The tool offers advanced data visualization capabilities, including charts, graphs, and heat maps. These visuals make it easier to interpret complex data and identify trends or patterns in campaign performance. Segmentation and filtering. Analysis Workspace enables segmentation of data based on various parameters such as demographics, behavior, geography, and more. Marketers can filter data to analyze specific segments' responses to campaigns, enabling targeted optimizations. Path analysis. It provides tools for path analysis, helping marketers understand the user journey across different touchpoints. This insight is crucial for optimizing the campaign flow and improving conversion rates. Attribution modeling. The tool supports various attribution models, example first touch, last touch, linear, etc., to determine the impact of each marketing channel on conversions. This helps in allocating budget and resources more effectively across channels. Real-time data exploration. Marketers can explore real-time data and make adjustments on the fly. This capability is essential for agile campaign optimization, responding quickly to changing market conditions or campaign performance. Collaboration and sharing. Analysis Workspace facilitates collaboration among team members by allowing them to share reports, dashboards, and insights easily. This ensures everyone is aligned and informed for better decision-making. Predictive analysis. Some advanced features include predictive analytics, which use historical data to forecast future trends. This helps in planning future campaigns based on data-driven insights. Why choose ProExcellency for Adobe Analysis Workspace online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Adobe Analysis Workspace online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely offers training delivered by experts who have deep knowledge and practical experience with Adobe Analysis Workspace. This ensures you receive high-quality, up-to-date training. Customized learning paths. They may offer tailored training paths based on your current skill level and specific learning objectives. This personalized approach can make the training more relevant and effective for you. Interactive learning environment. Online training with ProExcellency may include interactive sessions, hands-on exercises, and real-world examples, enhancing your understanding and retention of the material. Flexible scheduling. Online training allows flexibility in scheduling, making it easier to fit into your busy schedule without the need for travel. Support and resources. They likely provide access to additional resources, forums, and support channels to help you apply what you've learned and troubleshoot any challenges. Certification preparation. If applicable, they may offer preparation for Adobe certifications related to Analysis Workspace, which can enhance your professional credentials. Reputation and reviews. Check reviews and testimonials to gauge the reputation and success of previous learners who have taken their courses. Thank you.